Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Math Time with Dhanaprasad. In previous video we discussed about the important points, formulas and shortcuts and basic points of tangents and secants to a circle. So now in this class, using those concepts and basics and formulas, we will discuss AP and TS Polyset 2019, 18, 17, 16 old question and answers exclusively from Polyset. Let us see how the questions are coming. Question number 1. From the given figure, the value of OP is. What is the given figure? There is a circle and there is an external point. From that point we can draw two tangents to the circle. Therefore, this is a circle at center O. So the two tangents are drawn from an external point P which touches the circle at A, and one more tangent touches at B to the circle. A and B are called points of contacts, sparsha binduvulu అని చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. So therefore here what we want is the length of OP. ఈ OP కావాలి length. So here AOP is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to side square plus side square. So therefore OP square is equal to 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16, total 25. OP square is equal to 25, OP is equal to root 25, nothing but what? 5. Option 1, 5 is right answer. So very simple questions are asking on this circles and tangents. If you carefully observe what is what, you can easily understand how to solve it. So therefore if you want to use the formula OP square hypotenuse square is equal to side square means OA square plus AP square. OA square plus AP square. What is OA square? OA is nothing but what? Radius. 3 square 9 plus what is AP? AP is equal to 4 square 16, nothing but what? 25. This is OP square, but I want only OP. When square goes that side and becomes root, which becomes what? 5. Therefore option 1 is right answer. Question number 2. The angle between a tangent to a circle. See here, there is a circle, there is a tangent to a circle and the radius at the point of contact. So this is radius. So therefore we know that a tangent and a radius through the center is always perpendicular. Both are always perpendicular. Therefore the angle is 90 degrees. Option 4 is right answer. This is called tangent, and a line perpendicular to this tangent is passes through what? Radius. Means nothing but what? Passes through center. Therefore 90 degrees. Option 4 is right answer. Question number 3. Two circles touch each other internally. Internally means what? One circle is there. Inside that circle, one more circle is what? Touching the external circle. Then how many common tangents can be drawn? This point is very clearly discussed in previous video. If you are not yet watched that previous video, basic concepts and shortcuts and important points, first watch that video and come to the present video. Thank you. So therefore whenever two circles are touching each other internally, then one and only one common tangent can be drawn to the circles. Therefore option 4 is right answer. Very important point this is. Question number 4. A tangent is drawn from an external point P to a circle of radius 8 centimeters. So take a circle of radius 8 centimeters. One external tangent is drawn. So here we have one point from point P. One tangent has been drawn. If the length of the tangent is 15 meters, the radius is 8 centimeters, and the length of the tangent, if it is A, this is O, this is what? 15 centimeters. Now, then the distance between the center and the tangent, nothing but, see here carefully, I want this one. So therefore, we know that 8, 15 and one more, what will be the number which forms a right angle triangle with these two sides? 8 and 15. The answer should be what? 17, because 17 square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. 15 and 17 makes a right angle triangle R. So here the tangent and the radius line both are perpendicular to each other. Therefore right angle is at this place. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, OP square hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. What is side? This is 15. So therefore 8 square OP square is equal to 8 square means what? 64 plus 15 square 225 is equal to what? 289. I want OP means root 89. 289 is equal to what? 17. 17 is right answer. Question number 5. AB is a chord of the circle subtending an angle of 90 degrees. Take a circle, take a chord AB, take a chord AB which is subtending an angle of 90 degrees at the center. This is center ORC. It makes 90 degrees. This is what? 90 degrees at the center. At the center. Then if the radius of the circle is 6 centimeters, OA is a radius of 6 centimeters, OB is also equal to what? Radius of 6 centimeters. Now then the area of the minor segment. So we clearly discussed about its formula in previous video. So therefore I want the area of the minor segment. My area of the minor segment is given by what? Sector area OA P BO. The area of the sector minus area of this triangle. So this is minor segment. This is what? The circle above the part of the circle above the chord is what? Major segments. Therefore this is minor segment. I want APB. I want this much area. This is given by the sector area OAPB minus, I should delete this area of the triangle so that I can get the area of the minor segment APB. Therefore area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB. So immediately we should remember or recall that formula. Area of the sector is what? X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of the triangle of base into height. As it is a right angle triangle, at center it makes OA and OB are perpendicular. Therefore of base height, of what is base here? OB is base, means nothing but equal to radius into what is the height? Height is what? AO 6. If you simplify this, you will get any one of these 4 options, right? So here what is x? X is 90 degrees. Therefore I am writing what? 90. What is pi? Pi means 22 by 7. What is our radius? Radius is what? 6 square. I wrote, in place of x I wrote 90 degrees. In place of pi I wrote 22 by 7. Now 0 0 goes, 9 goes 4 times, in 4 2 goes in 22 11 times. Again one more 2 is there, that 2 goes in 36 18 times. So therefore 11 into 18 by what? 7. 11 into 18 by 7 minus, so here this is 6 into 6, 36 by 2, nothing but what? 18. When I subtract this, I get 72 by 7, nothing but 10.3. So option 4 right answer. Therefore whenever the area of the minor segment or major segment are asked, immediately we should recall or remember the formula. Area of the minor segment is given by area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB, so that I will get the shaded region, this part APB. So carefully we have to substitute what is x, what is pi value 22 by 7, what is radius, and simplify this, you will get right answer. Question number 6 and 7 are almost same problems using same formula. Two concentric circles of radii means this is plural. So circle radius of first circle is 12 centimeters and radius of second circle is what? 5 centimeters. Therefore two concentric circles of radii 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. A chord of bigger circle becomes a tangent to the smaller circle. Then the length of the chord is, I gave you already one formula, 2 times of under root r square minus d square is the formula. Let us see here. So this is big circle, center at O. Concentric circles means same center. So one more circle with same center. So the radius of the bigger circle is what? 12 centimeters. Take this as 12 centimeters, total 12 centimeters. This is also what? 12 centimeters. So the chord of the bigger circle becomes the tangent of the smaller circle. Therefore here we want one tangent. This is A, this is B. AB is the chord which is a tangent to the smaller circle. Now he wants the length of the chord. I want AB. We already discussed very clearly this point in previous video, basic concepts and important points. So here we have to draw one perpendicular, or this is what? Radius of the smaller circle. What is radius of the smaller circle? 5. I want AB. AB is nothing but 2 times of what? DB. This is center at O. Right. So therefore I want the length of the chord AB is nothing but 2 times of BD. How to get the length of BD is given by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to this side square plus this side square, but I want this side square is equal to 12 square minus 5 square. So the total chord length is equal to 2 times of this. So therefore this formula is already discussed in previous video. Whenever you want the length of the chord AB, this is 2 times of what? BD, this side square. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to this side square plus this side square, but I want what? This side square. Or you can always remember one formula, the length of the chord is given by 2 times of under root bigger circle radius square minus smaller circle radius square. R1 means the radius of the bigger circle. R2 means inside there is a circle, small circle, its radius. Its shortcut is 2 times of under root R1 square minus R2 square, which is equal to 2 times of what? R1 square means what? Bigger circle radius 12 square 144 minus R2 small circle radius 5 square 25 is equal to 2 times of under root 119. Option 1 right answer. Therefore whenever two concentric circles are given, to find the chord of the larger circle is given by 2 times of under root the radius of the bigger circle square minus the radius of the smaller circle radius square. You will get answer very quickly. So similarly, same question number 7. There are two concentric circles, same concept. The circles of radius 5 and 3 means in this case R1 is equal to 5. This one is what? R2 is equal to 3. Now substitute in the formula. You will get 2 times of under root R1 square means 25 square 25 minus R2 square means 3 square 9. 2 times of root 16. Root 16 is what? 4 into 2 is equal to what? 8. Option 3 right answer. Therefore this concept is very important for polyset. Question number 8. The area of a sector of angle 60 degrees of a circle of the diameter 42 centimeters is. What is the area of the sector? Area of the sector is given by the angle which is subtended by at center by 360 degrees into what? Pi r square. Substitute the values in the given formula. What is x? X is what? 60 degrees. Therefore 60 by 360 into pi. What is pi? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r square. What is radius? Radius is what? Diameter by 2. Diameter is 42 by 2 what? 21. So radius is equal to 21 centimeters square. 0 cancel. 6 goes 6 times. So here 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 21 whole square means 21 into 21. 21 into 21. So 7 goes 3 times. Now it is 3 goes 2 times. 2 goes 11 times. 11 into 21. 11 into 21. 1 into 1. Unit digit we should get what? 1. Therefore option 2 231 is the right answer. So here at the end after simplification we got 11 into 21. 1 into 1. Unit digit should be what? 1. Therefore here in the given 4 options, option 2 231 has unit digit 1. Therefore option 2 231 is what? Right answer. Question number 9. The sum of all angles at center of the circle. So there is a circle. So here I want the sum of all angles. So here this angle plus this angle, how many angles may be? So here the total angle should be what? Circle means 360 degrees. Option 2 360 degrees is the right answer. The sum of all angles at a center is 360 degrees. Question number 10. A square of side 3 centimeters is circumscribed by a circle. Means here take a square of 3 centimeters which is circumscribed by a circle. Now I want the area of the circle. What is area of the circle formula? Pi r square. Pi into I want r means radius. So here this is side of the square. This is what? Diagonal of the square. So in a square all sides are what? Equal. This all sides are equal. Therefore what is the diagonal? Length of the diagonal is what? Diameter. Diameter is given by this much, but I want only half of it, means I want only radius. I want radius. Radius formula is given by a by root 2. R is equal to a by root 2. If it is 3 centimeters, put a equal to 3. If it is 10 centimeters, put a is equal to what? 10. Whenever the side of the square is a centimeters, radius is given by a root 2. Therefore what is a here? 3 by root 2. Pi is equal to how much? 22 by 7 whole square is equal to pi into 3 square 9 root 2 whole square. Square and root are cancelled. We get what? 2. See the all options. So here pi into, here we have 9, here we have 9, but I want what? 4.5. 9 by 2 is what? 4.5 into pi. Option 2, 4.5 pi is the right option. So here what is important is the formula of the area of the circle is pi r square. It is well known, very good. How to find radius here? Radius is given by a by root 2. What is a? A is side of the square. In a square all the sides are equal. Therefore if here it is a side of length 3, therefore put a equal to 3. If it is 10, put a equal to 10. You will get. Very simple. So with this problem we completed AP and TS Poly Set 2019 and 18 tangents and secants to a circle. So in the next video we will discuss about AP and TS Poly Set 2017 and 16 question and answers exclusively from tangents and secants to a circle. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కలుద్దాం. జై హింద్.